Between the pandemic, demonstrations, the election, and even a blocked canal, the importance of supporting the American supply chain and our neighbors is greater than ever before. We have partners in this industry that exude made in the USA. Let's go meet some of them.
So in 2016, I was working in a friend's machine shop building card jewelry for old muscle cars. We were doing sill plates, we were doing billet dash inserts, we were doing hood hinges, we were doing hood stops, all the fun, cool muscle car parts that we loved. One day we figured out, why are we doing this? We love guns. As an Eagle Scout, growing up in Boy Scouts and everything else, we decided one day, let's go make some guns. So we started doing certain gun parts. We started with the billet uppers, we started with the billet lowers, we started with hand guards, we started doing OEM work. Quality always came first. So we grew the business based on our quality, our name, and our delivery. We built every cell, we created every process from the ground up the way we wanted to do it with today's technology. We took every component in an AR and we broke it down to its simplest form. A bolt's a bolt, a carrier's a carrier, a barrel's a barrel, a handguard's a handguard. And we went out and searched for the best equipment to make that individual part in volume, in production.
If you look at a job shop in the past, it was all manual machines. Now everything's robotic. So we're looking for the people that are the future, the robotics, the engineers, and the people that are maybe gamers that now can run million-dollar cells. And that's give them that ability to grow and nurture and more skill sets that we can turn back into the industry as a whole.
We do have a lot of automation here at DRG. We feel like that's the next step in the evolution for manufacturing. We're roughly about 50–60% automation at this time.
So all of our robotic cells are caged. We don't run cooperative robots. We run industrial, FANUC robots, just like GM and Tesla.
We've grown probably double over since the pandemic has started. I mean, I've packed up, moved from the West Coast to be a part of this growth. Anybody can grow. Anybody can grow their business structure. Anybody can grow with throwing more machines at an issue. But to actually grow and build your systems and build your process along the way is something we've not only retaught ourselves as manufacturing experts, but have we taught our team as well to take our manufacturing process to the next level.
If you want to make things in America right now, the scariest thing is when you walk into a tool and die shop. You walk into a tool and die shop and everyone's 60 or 70 years old. We've killed our tool and die shops on our manufacturing side because we told everybody they have to have a college education. You have to do this, you have to do that. Well, there is this really awesome thing called manufacturing. You're gonna take a solid block of something and pull a part out of it. Every day, we're teaching the next generation how to pull that part out of the solid piece of material so they can see the accomplishment that they made in making a new part the best way possible.
Everything we source, make, and produce is American made, in America, for Americans.
As soon as you walk into DRG, you are faced with, here's our brand, but here's everything that we do here. It's all made in America, and it's made behind these walls by Americans.
The foundation for DRG is our people. No house stands without a solid foundation. The people here at DRG understands the process of the products that we make, and we instill not only having them understand the products that we make, but also who they're for. It helps them come to work every day. It helps them understand exactly the part that they're making is for a higher purpose. All that American-made product that we bring in here for Americans, that is what we do here at DRG. and that's what is our everyday driver.
So here at DRG, we're always listening, and we want to be in touch with our team here and the community that we have here, as well as our customers that are out there. And in addition to the newsletters that we send out weekly, a lot of the dealers and the customers there reach out to me personally, and I enjoy that. I want to know what you're looking for and how we can help you and what your challenges are. And that allows me to go to our team and sit in our executive meetings and say, here's the word on the street. Here's what they need. How can we make this happen? Well, DRG is the parent company of White Label Armory. White Label Armory is our e-commerce business, our store that's available for folks that don't need 1,000 pieces or can't afford it at this point. You can come to White Label and you can buy everything you need, every single component that you would need to put your rifle together. Our goal here at DRG is to educate the consumers. We're going to bring them videos moving forward. We want them to know what's happening behind the scenes, how their products and the components are being made. We want them to know that everything that we do here is going to be open for them to read, to educate themselves. So they'll be knowing that they're buying the best components out there.
In the future of DRG, I see a constant push to stay on the leading edge of manufacturing, whether it be automation, robots, or the next thing that hasn't even been created yet.